How to install Windows 11 on your PC. Method 1. Upgrading from Windows. Open the Settings app in Windows 10. Go to Update and Security greater than Windows Update. Click on Check for updates. If there's a Windows 11 update available, click on Download and Install. Follow the prompts to complete the upgrade process. Note that the upgrade process may take some time and require several restarts. Also, some devices may not be eligible for the upgrade due to hardware or compatibility issues. Here's how. Download the Windows 11 ISO file from the official Microsoft website or through the Media Creation tool. Insert a USB drive with at least 8 GB of free space, or insert a DVD into your PC. Use a tool like Rufus or the built-in Windows 10 Startup Disk Creator to create a bootable drive or disk with a Windows 11 ISO file. Restart your PC and access the boot menu by pressing the F12 key, may vary depending on the manufacturer. Select the USB drive or DVD to boot from and press Enter. Follow the prompts in the Windows 11 Setup Wizard to install the operating system. Wait for the installation to complete and follow the post-installation setup steps to configure your preferences and settings. You've successfully installed Windows 11 on your PC.